Culling photos is more than just about being fast, it's about accuracy too. That's why we recently connected with photographers to ensure that Polarr Next culling mode meets their needs. In this video, we'll share some of the user feedback we've collected and show you how Polarr Next is crafted to simplify your editing process, not complicate it.
Okay, so this is my first group, it looks like. I'm gonna 5-star. I can do that with my keyboard, which is nice. Eyes closed. I like that it zooms in on the face like we talked about. And then it already goes to my next group. That's nice. I'm excited to play with culling more. I do think it's, you know, kind of seamless that it creates this process. I can do everything in one spot and export it and it'll be edited. I think it's good so far.
Would you just start using this?
Yeah, I would. The amount of images that I have to look through and cull and edit, anything I can do to speed it up. So, and the fact then that I can just move right into editing, I would start using it. I didn't see anything that would make me not want to use it.
I feel like it's doing a great job right now for the purpose that you guys are trying to do. The grouping works really good because I think that was one of David's input early on when we did a lot of the culling. When we talk about AI culling, he's like, well, you're gonna have to help us determine if the eyes are open because sometimes they're a teeny tiny and we just don't have the time to zoom in to see all 20 people. The AI did the grouping, which is really nice, and the eyes open. I really do like that feature.
I actually think it's a big plus that the program does both. Yeah, instead of using, let's say, narrative and then exporting it into Lightroom, and you know, it's just too many steps and too many programs. It's nice when it's all gathered in one place, easy. And it is very easy to follow. I think it's not very complicated to navigate as well. So
every time that I go from Photo Mechanic and then drag all of those pictures into Lightroom and do any type of like smart previews or anything like that, I have to wait minutes for them all to load versus as soon as I pulled this into Polarr Next, everything was up within a second. So I think that that would be a big perk. And I know we talked about this with the editing software too, but I just think overall it feels really light to use this. Everything, like, it doesn't feel like my computer is dragged down at all. I'm not hearing the fan running in my hard drive or anything. It just feels like it's very easy. At the time that I bought Photo Mechanic, it was pretty much that or narrative was like just kind of being talked about a little bit more. And I didn't want the subscription. I just wanted to pay once and be done. But I think if I was already, especially if I was already using Polarr Next with editing, but also just in general, like I really liked this culling software and this process. So I think that I would absolutely be using that over Photo Mechanic at this point.
We hope this video has shown you how we're committed to making your editing process as smooth and as efficient as possible. We appreciate you tuning in, and if this content helped you, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insights and updates. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay informed, and we'll catch you in the next video.